heto na guys, ang inaabangan yung ating makapanayam, ang dalawang gwapong candidates ng Ginoong Parañaque 2026. Pakilala po kayo.
Hi guys, my name is Ford Ginto. I represent Barangay Tambo.
Hi guys, I'm James Season representing San Martin de Porres.
Okay, so ano ang biggest challenge na nalampasan mo sa buhay?
Biggest challenge na nalagpasan ko sa buhay is probably high school. Kasi high school has been meaning a lot for me, you know. 6 years, friends has been there. Para siyang break up na hindi mo siya makikita ulit in the future. Probably sometime pa pag nag-reunion.
Okay, so paano ka nananatiling grounded sa gitna ng atensyon?
So I choose the people that I'm gonna be surrounded because I think it's important for you to choose who are your people, and through that you will be reminded to just keep your feet on the ground and just be humble and also enjoy the moment.
Okay, please invite the viewers to follow your social media accounts and regarding the coronation night.
Once again, this is for Ginto. I'm inviting you guys to watch and come on Okada. That's gonna be on February 7, and that's gonna be the coronation of Ginoo and at Binibining Parañaque 2026. Salamat po.
Same with him.
Hi guys, I'm James Season. My handles are at JMSCZN and my esports account is Nozibong or NOZZIEBONK on TikTok and in Facebook. I'm inviting you guys to watch us on Ginoong Parañaque 2025 on Okada. Feb 7 yan, so see you guys there.
Okay, again, good luck, guys.